Everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video, and today I want to bring to you the information about Cashalive39. People want to know what the program is about. What is this system actually? What does it do? How does it help people to earn money? People want to know exactly what you need to do in order to start earning with this opportunity. So far I made $700 within my first 24 hours of using this system. And what I love about it is that it's newbie friendly. And I decided to join it because it's easy for people to get started and actually dial into the system because they pretty much set up everything for you. So I'm going to go through the information from beginning to end on what this Cash App system is all about, what you can do with it, how to use it. So please stay till the end. And I'm going to also give you the traffic sources that they're recommending. Okay. So this is a $39 Cash App payment system. Now, if you do not have Cash App, you don't have to use Cash App. People want to know, what if I don't have Cash App? Can I use PayPal? Yes. Can I use Venmo? Yes. Can I use Zelle? Yes. So any third-party payment processor, you can connect to your Cashalive website when you pay to have your website set up. Okay. So the $39 is a one-time payment. You do not have to pay this over and over again. It's a one-time payment. The one-time payment gives you the reseller rights to this system. So what that means is basically once you pay the $39, you're able to collect unlimited $39 for as long as you use the system. Okay, one-time payment. Now, you're going to get a website that's going to look similar to this. It's going to have, of course, proof of people that's using the system and they're getting paid. We always include proof so that people know that it works. Does the system work? Absolutely, yes. It gives a little bit of information about the website. And not only that, it lets you know how they're using this site to earn money. So what they're doing is they're using Safe List and they're using solo ads. And the reason why they're using Safe List and solo ads is because if you use Safe List, you're able to reach a ton of people and not pay a lot of money. And that's the thing. You don't want to be buying solo ads or buying traffic that's costing you $200, $300, $400, and you're only making $80 a day or $120 a day or $160 a day. You want it to be where you're in a profit from the money that you put into the system. So if you use Safe List, you're going to have a lot more people actually seeing this website, and you're not going to pay as much as you would if you were using solo ads. Okay, so that's the thing. And then they do have solo ads, but it's at a reasonable rate. I recommend Safe List because, again, you could target a lot of people who are looking to make money from home, and you don't have to pay a ton of money in traffic. Okay, so that's the other thing. So when you get on this site, which is in the description below, that's how you get started. So in the description below, you'll see this website. You're going to come right down here to click here for details. Okay, a lot of people are going straight down to the bottom and they're hitting the buy now button. This buy now button is for you to get your website, your duplicated website. This is where you go so that they can create your website with your payment details on it. But you don't want to go there first. You want to go here and click here for details. When you click here for details, it's going to bring you here to more information on how to get started. All right. So here is what you get for only $39. You're going to get the Safe List and solo ad buyers that you can use, the traffic resources, using Cash App, or again, any payment processor that you decide to use. You're going to also get the email ad copy. Okay. They send you the ad copy, and you're going to be able to get the fast start instructions. Resellers rights to this system, and then they're giving you a 90-day money back guarantee. So they're saying basically when you start using their system, you're going to make money because they're going to give you everything that you need in order to start producing results through their Safe List and their solo ad buyers. Okay, so now when you come down here, you're going to get information on how to make a payment. So it says join today here for a $39 one-time payment. And this is the Cash App information for you to send your payment through. Okay, so you're going to send $39 straight to this Cash App ID. After you made the payment, you're going to send in proof of payment to the email. And then you're going to also want to come down here and buy the $20 website. Okay, so this is going to allow them to create a system like this with your information. So it'll have the way for people to pay you, whether it's Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, or Zelle. It's going to have your information here. And then it's going to have your phone number so people can reach out to you, and your name and your email. Okay, so that's basically what the site looks like. And they are literally telling you that once you start using the system, I say give it a couple of weeks to start building up momentum, but you can earn anywhere from $100 to $300 a day, mainly maybe starting at $50 a day or $60 a day, but actually increasing over time. Because when you're using their traffic generation strategy, it's reaching a ton of people who are looking to make money at home. And it's easy for people to get started at $39. Okay, so that's what this is all about. What is the product? An educational platform that teaches people how to produce an income from home. You're being educated on what to do and what to use in order to generate an income. Not only that, you're getting the reseller rights to be able to earn with the system. Okay, so people are like, is there a product? There's tons of educational platforms out there, tons of them. Whether you're learning how to make money, whether you're learning how to do something, whatever it is, bake a cake, you pay for this stuff, you pay for the information so that it can help you to further yourself in whatever it is that you're trying to learn. Okay, so this is an educational platform. This is what it is. And you're going to be able to earn $39 over and over again. Even if you got 2 people a day, you made yourself almost 80 bucks. 1 person a day, you made 40 bucks just about. And this is pure profit. Okay, so this is what the Cashalive system is all about. If you want more details, again, the link is in the description below. If you want to reach out to me, that information also is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe to follow my online journey. And I look forward to working with you. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the inside.